What's up, guys? This is Matt Tolbers with Performance Diecast, and today we're going to unbox this Toyota Supra. It's a Fast and Furious version. It's the Mark IV Supra by Jada. So here's the box. Pretty cool looking box. There's the different ones you can get. So let's unbox this quick. Guys, here it is, the Toyota Supra. It's the Mark IV version. A little squeaky, but it does wheel really well. This would be a nice model for a kid to give to your kids. I wouldn't say this is something you put in a case, but you can see the interior. It's got a really dark interior. Nothing fancy, guys. Nothing fancy. There it is. It's just a cheap kind of toy for a kid to play with. It's got the little roll cage. They took their back seats out, obviously. Here's the back. Back looks kind of cool. Fast and Furious 7. At least they chromed the exhaust tip on it. It's got little nitrous bottles. You can see the cage on it. And we'll show you the hood. You can see a little gap right there. It's not very sealed very well. The headlights are really cheap looking too. But here's the engine. That looks kind of cool. It's got, at least they added a little color to it. If you guys can see it here. Got the little sway bar on the front. But yeah, that's it, guys. Nothing fancy. If you guys want to get it, I'll have a link in the description. It's only like $17 or so. So, all right, guys. See you in the next video. Peace.